Welcome back. In this short tutorial, we'll explore the steps to find out who liked a specific comment on Instagram. We'll walk through simple steps to review the list of users who have expressed their approval, whether the comment is under your own or someone else's posts. Let's get started without further delay. First, open your Instagram application. Then, choose any post with comments. I will now choose a post spontaneously, then tap on View All Comments. Now you'll be able to see all the comments this post has received. To see who liked the comment you're interested in on that post, long press the like or heart button next to the comment. Now you can see the list of people who liked that comment. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for every video I publish. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.